Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm trying to not talk too loud, but it's Friday today and I'm going to campus. I have a 9 a.m. class and I have to leave in like 3 minutes, but I wanted to kind of like take you guys along. So I'm already dressed for school and I will try to film as much school content as I can. So let's go. So we're on our way to class. Hopefully I make it for the bus. It's just like a 2-minute walk, but I left the house kind of late. Hopefully. We made it for the bus. Where's the bus though?
Stop.
Thank you. Okay. We're here late instead of being 4 minutes early. I was late. So technically I had initial plans to be like 5 minutes early for class, but the bus driver just decided to skip my turn, so I was instead 15 minutes late and I went to sit on the second row, but class went on fine and I left class nicely. This is the only class I actually speak in. It's a small classroom, kind of. The smart students were talking in this class. I do talk, but you know, just had to look at who is talking. So I was waiting for my friend to meet me and then we'll spend like a few hours together, and she has to go to class and then I'll go home and continue the rest of my day. So I sat down like a serious student, or cosplay like a serious student, and tried to get some work done basically, and drink some juice and spill it all over myself as well. But yes, that is pretty much how my day goes. You're welcome. Obviously there's only so much acting one can do. I ended up back on my phone. Okay, it was Friday. Cut me some slack. It's okay. But yeah, we'll just wait for the friend while I scroll my phone. I may have been studying, I really do not remember, but sure. So my friend came, we changed location, went upstairs, and we hung out like cool people and we talked about cool stuff. So yeah, you're going to see it in the next slide. I'm going to try to enjoy school. I hate when the dub shows like the English voice. It's so annoying because then their lips are moving left and this audio is moving right.
But this thing shows like you said American shows like that.
For $7, it's actually the price of one very
Fully made properly.
Oh yeah, like
Damn.
Brazilian. I don't like Brazilian shows. Yeah. Yeah, but then to some extent it doesn't. I skip, but like it doesn't bother. Like there's like a bit of a difference with like American shows. Like they just making them like just throw it in your face. Brazilian shows, it kind of like partly their culture. Their culture is very sensual. Their culture is actually very sensual and like they're very sex expressive. But here, it's kind of like they have to be, and it's like due to a lack of options because they don't actually have a culture, so sex is not a culture. But yeah, Brazilian shows have no chill. Like they will undress the person. You would see a woman's nipples everywhere.
So hard to like search. They did their lab yesterday, meaning they did it on Friday.
I guess we just work with it. The show, The Queen and the Conqueror.
English is hard. It's okay.
I'm gonna watch it because it's based on like pre-civilized, like a slavery kind of like Brazilian history, but so a little bit of context here. The previous videos, or like a couple of videos, I was talking to my friend. We were just randomly talking about shows and our comfortability with sexual content. This was completely opinionated and they're not based on actual statistic facts. So if you come at me, you get what you deserve. Bye. So my friend had to go to class and I had to go back home because we had an agenda. So I got on the bus. Dum dum dum. Trying to protect my lens. It's not cold exactly. It's kind of like -6, -7. So hence why I just have this chicken jacket on, and then my long pair of pants. I know you can see my white sock, but let's just pretend you cannot. Honestly, just a bunch of student housing that's like going on here. There's like a studio right there, and then I'm trying to not show you any addresses, okay? Because people are creepy. I'm gonna go home and make some food. I started my day with like not in the best mood, but you know, I just accepted life for what it is and just gonna move on. And just like, oh wait, I have my mask on. This is my face in case you need to see my face. Yeah, I've just gotten so used to wearing the mask that sometimes I forget when I'm indoors. I'm climbing the hill. That's the hard part, okay? Let's go. Okay, we got past the hill. We're home. I'm not showing you my house, obviously, for obvious reasons, but I'm home. Yeah, I'm dizzy. I need to eat. Damn. We're inside and lifting my eyes are killing me. I have to dispose off of this. Let me see. There's no view from my window, so I don't expect much, but there's like nothing to see from my window except there's some random person walking. So yeah, I am just gonna go get something to eat and get a few things done, and then I have to go out because we plan to go shopping with the girls. So yeah, we'll see how that works out, and then I would vlog that too, I guess. But yeah, why am I talking so undertone? Oh my god. Yeah, whatever. I'm just gonna get things done, okay? And then when I come back, I have to finish some schoolwork as well. Let's go.
No, I need to get
The what?
mask.
The what?
Mask?
Ah.
Yeah.
I do kind of look a bit cute from this angle. But yeah, so we were supposed to have left at 3. But as usual, it's 4 p.m. I swear to God. Bye-bye. This is how stressed I am. Like, I cannot, my eyes are literally not even lying to you. You can see the stress in my am trying to stay up. But it's Friday, and girls got to party. This is the fit. I still have the same pants I had on earlier. I changed my shoes to black, changed my top, and changed the jacket. And I changed the bucket hat because, well, we're no longer doing brown. Why are you backing me up? I'm waiting for you guys.
Come here.
Ooh. Only fools fall in love. So I would have loved to have the car music going for you, but I am not trying to get my account banned for copyright, so just pretend we're listening to Akon. I see you whining. Let me just put music here for you guys.
Yeah, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. Never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move on.
There's never any parking lot in Peterborough South. This is my only moment. I'm literally gonna be fast, you know me.
I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes.
Now why the hell are these kids just yelling? Something is weird about my what is it called? My resolution. Where's she going to? Oh yeah. Oh, this is actually nice. I thought it would be stiffer, like more stiff tweed, but it's on the softer side. Not so much the price, but it is on the softer side for me. Be prepared. Baby. It's a sound here! Ow! Zara? Yeah. Okay, we're in Minnesota now. And it's just cute things called Minnesota, and they just sell like stationery and cutesy things and bowls and plates, things like that. These shoes are not bad at all. See? I'll wear them.
Yeah.
And then I'll
like an
walk
addict,
around
do
like
I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it
love
moves, gotta
shoes like
grab it.
that.
Fuse like a magnet, lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big
Oh, they have all of your
picture, I'm a
types
straight
here. They can
killer.
just choose
Rising the
what
song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's
Just taking
that?
it all.
I'm new, come back better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. Never gonna look
Just looking at the candy.
Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts.
It's cute. Caramel.
Make a change, slowly
Oh,
take
it's nice. I like caramel.
never be the same.
Yes, to this.
Cause that's what it takes.
A buzz. Did you get yours? Yeah. Stop it right now. the clothes. The mall have been closed by now. Like closes at 8 instead. Okay.
Look up and down and then I drove away.
In the mall?
Do you want to try this?
Okay. It's really good. No. Don't forget the back camera does not even work. So. Where did she go? I am not looking forward to doing an assignment right now. So it's 8:23 p.m. We're back and I'm sitting on the floor right now. I am that tired. Yeah, so I'm on the floor. I am this tired and I'm kind of losing my voice even though I didn't talk too much, but it gets to be tired me. So this is how my day went. I have a quiz to do. I have an assignment to do. I'm going to wipe up the little oil on my face. And I will do my assignments. I also have a stupid massive headache and I hope it has nothing to do with the fact that I'm a woman every month. I am acting so drunk and I don't even drink. I blame it on stress. Okay, life is just life in me right now. But yeah, so this is this is the vibe, okay? This is the vibe. It's a fit. It's a fit and it's a vibe. But yeah, so if you watched this far, thank you. I appreciate you, and don't forget to subscribe, comment, and share. Okay, support your girl. Also, I will be back with another video. Check the description box for some amazing videos that I have that you definitely need in your life. And yeah, I'll be back with more videos. So I'll see you next time. It's bye. And yeah, I can't say happy Valentine's because the Lord knows this will not be out by Valentine's. I got school, so